Why you do that?
Moment of silence for my beautiful flower arrangement, courtesy of Zaddy. So my baby and my hubby got me 2 dozen roses.
Yeah.
And of course I had a vase, so I was able to arrange it really nicely. I think it looks so cute.
I got you the red ones.
Daddy actually brought it home, but of course it was from the boys for the girls.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, the clone me was helping Daddy get the red ones and the pink ones.
The clone you? He said the clone him was with Daddy picking it out, so that means he was there. Speaking of the girls, they are dressed alike today. Hi, pretty girl.
Hi.
Hi, pretty girl. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Have these cute little dresses from H&M. But this one right here has already ruined it. Show me your stump. Oh, turn to the side. Oh. This candle here smells so good. Of course, I gotta blow it out. Of course, I gotta finish my coffee.
Your boots on the wrong feet. Put them boots on right feet. There you go. Now you cooking. You cooking now. Baby, you want to stay here or you want to go?
So it's my birthday.
So it's my birthday, so I'm going to get a cake. I want a cake for my birthday.
D, copyright.
Hello,
All right, y'all, let's go.
So it is Friday the 13th. Fun fact, Dominik was actually born on Friday the 13th, but
And
3 months ago today. So today we are going to celebrate her birthday.
Mom, it's Christmas.
That's the 25th, not the 13th. So we're going to run some errands. We have to do some banking, get her some balloons, maybe a little bit of cake and some food. And then we're going to come home and celebrate. Excuse me, I have one earring missing because I lost the back in the rug. Like, I know it's in the rug, but I can't find it. So, y'all ready?
Yeah.
Say Merry Christmas.
Happy holidays.
Go. Everybody hold Daddy's hand. Okay, so we had a couple things to handle for banking. So going into the bank and actually having to sit with the banker is rare. Normally Daddy does banking alone, but there were some things I needed to do for my banking, for Ashley Bedeck and all of that, so we all had to go. Bye, babies. See you later. Like they can hear me, huh? Okay, so dropped the family off at home. They were gonna get some Chick-fil-A, but Chick-fil-A line was literally wrapped. And one of the things about having 3 kids opposed to 2 kids is that you can never like actually run a full day of like errands and stuff with all the kids. It gets really hectic. So like the advantage is like everything that we have to do together we do first, and then we disperse and like divvy up the kids. So we really haven't celebrated like her milestones like on camera with you guys the way I wanted to. So 3 months to me is a big milestone, so I wanted to go ahead and get her some cupcakes and some balloons, even though she cannot necessarily understand or enjoy it. Just something for the family to enjoy. Some cupcakes and some balloons. My kids love balloons, so that's where I'm headed now. Okay, so I just ran into a dilemma. I just realized I didn't bring the wrap. She is in obviously her car seat, and her car seat doubles as a stroller, but she's 3 months and I've never actually had to turn it into a stroller by myself. So I'm debating, do I try to figure this out with the stroller situation, or do I carry her because I don't have my wrap? So I got the baby. I forgot my wrap at home, so it's either this, carry her, or use my her stroller. But we are at the cupcake place.
I have your cupcakes for you.
Oh, perfect.
Any other cupcakes for you?
I'm just gonna take some
take some
decorations.
Okay.
Yeah.
And your cupcakes are for today?
Yes.
And then no refrigeration, okay?
Okay. Okay, so mission accomplished. We have our cupcakes and it's copyright, so we'll be right back. Okay, so my princess is strapped in. I feel like I dropped her pacifier. Oh, hashtag mom life. Is it? There it is. Okay, so we are leaving out of Best Buy. I literally was in and out and I am a super happy camper. A quick instant haul. Of course, I am feeding baby girl, but this is the main thing I went for, and this is the Gorilla Pod by Joby, and I got the 3K. It comes in 3 different sizes. The 1K is the smallest. I think the 5K is the biggest, and this is what I'm going to be using for my new vlogging camera. Right now I have the Manfrotto, I think it's called, and I got this from Amazon, and this one was it's a popular one that a lot of creators use, but what I find is this one is like, for example, I want to prop you guys up really quickly, like right now I'm feeding. This one has the flexible legs, so I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'll be able to bend the legs in a way that I can stand it in different ways here. Also, I got a Rode mic. Now this one was $300, which is pretty expensive, but I did get a deal. It's 25% off, but this one will be able to, according to the lady, I can like set it so that it just catches my voice as I'm right in front of it, or if I want to catch the entire room, I can catch the entire room. Even if I want to like vlog out in public, this is supposed to be the best. And I'm pretty sure you guys know a lot about a lot of these things, just because a lot of YouTubers have been using a lot of these things for years. Now I just bought a camera or a remote for my iPhone to be able to take pictures and stuff like that, and I've seen this one. This one's by Joby and it's by the same brand as that tripod, and what caught my eye about this one is Bluetooth, and pretty much will do the same thing that the other did, but it did come with like a key chain. It looks like it came with like a mount thingy and like a keychain, so pretty much I'll be able to attach it to my keys, which essentially is what I'm gonna do. Say hey, fat girl. Hi, fat mama. I have the air running because a lot of body heat makes it hot for us whenever I feed her, and plus I have this hot ass sweater on, but I'm about to put her back in her seat. Say hi, boo. Say I'm 3 months today. My name is Nunca. My name is Dominik, but my mommy call me Nunca Boom. Is that my Nunca Boom? Is that you? Say I'm Nunca Boom. I'm Nikki Boom. Hi, Nikki Boom. Whoop. I like to go everywhere. Whoop. So she just finished eating. I'm about to go ahead and put her in the back seat. I don't like the car to be running while I'm like strapping her in, because it does, oh, I like to keep my keys like in my hand. Hi, Nikki Bunny. Fun fact, she was born on Friday the 13th, but in September. Happy birthday to the baby. December. Okay, D. Okay, D.
Mommy, it's on my hat. My hat. My hat. Baby, look at me.
Come on.
Baby. It's for baby. Oh, you guys look so... Oh, baby. Oh. They will put it on. Oh, this is so cute.
Put it.
Body in the elevator.
Cupcakes.
Cupcakes. I love cupcakes.
I don't remember how to do this.
No. Did you remember how to do this?
She can be the instructions. I'm literally just burning it. sparkler candle. Dakota?
Burning, Mom. You're just burning
I
it.
know, but it's supposed to spark somewhere.
I don't know where it's supposed to spark.
Okay. Well, this is a fail. I can't figure out the sparkle. I should just get a regular candle. Here we go. Get back. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dominic. Happy birthday to you. Blow it, baby, blow it, blow it. No time.
Happy birthday, Dominic. Happy birthday, Dominic. Happy birthday, Dominic.
And I have on my hat too. So who wants
Me
cupcakes?
too. I want cookie.
So do you want chocolate, or do you want a snowman, or do you want strawberry, or do you want red velvet? Red velvet, this one?
Yeah.
You don't want the snowman?
I want. Yeah. I want wet.
You don't have to copy D. You can get the one that you want.
I know
You don't want the snowman one? I got the snowman ones for you guys. You want snowman?
can you peel? I want this. Can you peel? I want this. I want this.
Or you want pink?
Can you peel off the paper? Mommy, can you peel off the paper? I want this.
Oh, you're gonna be like Big Brother?
Yeah.
Okay, so each person picked, all the kids picked the red velvet. Ooh, you guys wanna mukbang it?
Yep.
Okay, pull up your chair.
My chair.
Or you can stay there. I'll bring the camera to you guys, okay?
No. I have a hat.
You can take it off. I don't know which kind Daddy wants. Daddy likes the chocolate vanilla. You want one right now, Dad?
You want some too? Mommy's feeding us cakes. So we're eating red velvet cupcakes. And I'm gonna take mine off now. It's really good. It's good.
Is it
I'm not
fresh?
gonna lie.
Yeah, I guess.
You came back in a decent amount of time. You didn't know that?
So I was gonna go to Target and get a helium tank so I can make balloons whenever I want to make balloons. But I was like, you know what? It's not necessarily necessary at this point, considering I have to get her out.
If you go to the bakery and get these cupcakes, they'll be really fire.
You like them?
Mm-hmm.
So what flavor did you get?
Red velvet.
Red velvet. Say red velvet.
Red velvet.
Red velvet?
Red velvet is really good. And you know, eating the cupcakes without the party hats, absolutely fire. Actually good. Mommy's off camera. Mommy's off camera. Well, Mommy's off camera. We eating cupcakes. Her cupcake looks like a triangle.
So now that Dominic is 3 months, how do you guys feel about having a baby?
I know.
Baby sister.
Good.
You feel good about it?
Mhm.
So what does Dominic do all day?
Drink milk.
She drinks milk and what else?
Take naps and talk a lot
And what?
and talk to.
She talks?
No,
What she say she do?
talk to us.
What she be saying?
I don't know. Her baby talk doesn't understand us.
Show me how baby talk go. How it be sounding when she talk.
Alright. I like that.
Ooh, you got some cream?
Yeah, I like that. Yeah, me too. See?
Some cream in the middle too. And you bite in the middle.
Yeah.
Cody's got in the middle. How did you get in the middle, Cody?
I want to lick it. Oh my god, it's inside too.
I know. So what do you guys want for Christmas?
A I want a pretend car. A car I can drive in. Car.
And what else?
And then I want a stuffed animal. A stuffed like teddy, and so I can snuggle it.
And you have ears with that instead of having ears for humans.
And I can hug my bear.
You want a pet? Get a pet. What would you want your pet to be?
I want it to be a dog.
I thought you said you were scared of dogs.
I'm scared of cats. So I don't want a dog or that. I'm a hamster.
Oh no. Oh no, mommy's scared of hamsters.
I'm not allergic to hamsters. Well, you are allergic to hamsters.
I'm not allergic to it. I'm just scared of it. I had a hamster before when I was a baby.
Well, me either. I'm not going to be scared of a hamster.
I am.
Well, I want a hamster. I'm scared of a cat.
I'm not scared of a cat. I just have to get used to it.
Say
hi. We're the Lyons kids. Look so we can get a thumbnail.
I say shape, baby. I say.
Look at the camera. Cody. Thumbnail.
Thumbnail.
Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
I'm just letting her
Look at the
eat.
camera. Look at the camera. Cheese.
Cheese.
Woo!
Thank you guys tomorrow for another video. And it will be Christmas tomorrow.
Not yet.
My base Christmas. Oh, it's Christmas.
Today's the 13th. Christmas is on the 25th, so we have a little ways to go.
Christmas is the
What is
25th.
it, like a week and a half?
Yeah, I think.
Do you want to open up your presents on camera on Christmas morning?
Yes.
Do you want to vlog while open up your presents?
Yeah.
Okay.
For the next Christmas, I want a cat register.
Cat register. Oh, you got one last year for Christmas, but it got ruined in the rain within like 2 days, huh?
Only a Jack in the Box.
Good night, vloggy. Always see you tomorrow. Good night. To open the presents. You want some too? Smooches. Smooches.